Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in graphic design software with Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your goals for using graphic design software. Consider whether you need it for personal projects, freelance work, or professional assignments. Research the various Adobe products available for graphic design, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Visit Adobe's official website to access information about each software's features and pricing. Compare subscription plans and determine which one aligns with your budget and requirements. Check if there are any ongoing promotions or discounts for new users. Read reviews and watch tutorials on each software to understand its usability and capabilities. Make a list of the tools and features essential for your projects. Download the free trial option for the software you want to explore first. Install the software on your device and familiarize yourself with the interface. Take advantage of Adobe's online resources, including tutorials and user forums. Practice using the software by working on a small project to gain hands-on experience. Evaluate your project's outcome and how the software met your needs. Explore additional add-ons or plugins that could enhance your graphic design capabilities. Consider enrolling in an Adobe certification course if you're serious about advancing your skills. Once comfortable, decide whether to commit to a monthly or annual subscription based on your usage. Stay updated with the latest features and updates Adobe rolls out. Join online communities or forums to network with other graphic design users. Engage with your peers to share tips and seek feedback on your work. Routinely revisit your goals and evaluate whether the software continues to meet your evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.